So guys, just now one of my friend told me IISc interview question in mathematics. They asked rotate a vector by 30 degree and find out the new vector. So you have to assume vector from your side and you have to rotate the vector at 30 degree and you have to tell the new vector. So this question you can approach in this way. It was a good question. I was not that lucky to have this question from vector. I'll tell you what was the question. So see, you just plot your xy axis quickly and you imagine a simple vector. So let's imagine your vector is here pointing here at 1 1. So this vector will be, suppose vector r is equal to I plus j. Okay, so coefficient is 1, coefficient is 1. So what will the mod of r? So mod of r will be under root 1 square plus 1 square, that is nothing but root 2. So now rotate the vector at 30 degree from here. So just make a circle and rotate at 30 degree. So you will reach here. So because you have considered 1 1, so of course this angle will be 45. Now in that you add 30 extra. So what became a new angle? New angle became 45 plus 30, that is 75 degree. But what will not change? The r value, which is root 2, that value will not change. It means what? Now for this new r, new r, you will be having new coordinate of x and y. How will you find out that new coordinate? Very easy. You find out vertical coordinate and you find out horizontal coordinate. So your total angle is 75 degree. So and r value is root 2. So this horizontal component will be r cos 75 and vertical will be r sin 75. So you find out cos, just that's all. This is r value root 2, you know, right? So with r cos 45 you multiply I, and with r sin 45 you 75, r 75 you multiply r sin 75 you multiply j. Okay, so r cos 75 I plus r sin 75 j, this became your new vector. So guys, just now my friend corrected the solution way. He said they didn't ask just vector rotation. They asked convert the vector into matrix and then rotate the matrix and then find the new vector. So for that procedure is very easy. What you do, you just see this vector I have considered, because you have to consider vector from your side. So consider simple vector I plus j. Okay, so then after that you take from I j itself, you have to take this 1 1 because coefficient of I is 1, j is 1. After that you should know that a rotation matrix is a separate matrix to rotate the vector cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Okay, if you need a new vector at certain angle, then you do one thing. In this previous vector, at how much angle you want the new vector, just put that angle in this matrix and you will be getting a fresh new rotation vector. So substitute in this vector 30 degree because they asked for 30 degree. And you will be getting this answer after substituting 30 degree, and then multiply here because this is 2 cross 2 matrix and this is 2 cross 1 matrix. So you will be finding 2 cross 1 matrix. So this is the final answer. So just for a clear picture and clear idea, I have done LaTeX code here. I'll just show you. You can feel better about this. So this vector v I1 I considered in the beginning as like this, and then like this, and then this is rotation matrix. And anyway, this was just in terms of root, but final answer is this much. Final answer I have written in handwritten notes. Fine, all right. So I hope you understood how to rotate any vector using matrix method.